Oh, it's a joke! Oh, it's packed. I said, Mom! I said, Mom!
Oh my gosh.
That's going crazy.
It's for safety. We ain't gonna park in there.
Oh yeah.
We'd have to stop park.
Okay, baby.
This is here on New Year's Day.
Whoa!
The games they have there.
Oh,
Alright, take them outside, Sarah. I'll go play with the kids. It's packed here, so all stuff in here anyway, so it's all good.
hurry up.
Yeah.
Open the door.
Go.
Go, go, go!
Get on the main street.
Don't set me!
Oh, wow.
Wow, yeah, my shoes.
Holy shit! That's loud. Oh look, bubble gun. Bubble gun. Where's the finish?
Nah, it's not finished.
Okay, bye.
Now it's quiz. Oh, Sarah, look over there. Oh, that sucks.
Okay.
That sucks.
Only here for 2 minutes. And counting.
Are we going to park in the park? Yeah. There should be food in there.
Okay.
What's your favorite team Swiss time zone?
My backside!
Same as your Chuck.
Oh, we are only here for like 3. Oh, so yeah, it's probably
3
wait for like
seconds.
4 minutes.
You could turn around. You can't do that. Yeah, I can.
Uh oh.
There's a car behind us. See, look. I can wait.
Oh, this girl's crossing her arms.
I ain't control camera, so what do
Hey.
Oh, go around. That's good. Go around. Get
Bye. Bye, guys.
Park inside the park. Oh, look at the parking lot. It's absolutely jammed. Please hold on to all your kids.
Goodbye.
Oh my god. You were gonna run with your grandchild across the road? Really?
Oh, look at
I
that.
caught that on camera.
Mm.
Oh, they'll probably like
Let's
a
go
bit.
look fast because I think maybe it's finished. Yeah, I think everyone's. Yeah, because that's the fireworks. They come. Oh my god.
Nah, it's not. They're still on. Look. Look at this tiny hair razor.
Yeah.
There.
They're going up and down, up and down.
The rides. Oh my god, it's like a
It's for free. Free fare.
Oh my god.
Man, that's nice.
Can you hear?
Free fare. Oh, bubble mask.
I'm not going anywhere.
See, at least that kid said thank you.
Hold up.
We're checking the time.
There.
Oh, there was a parking there. Parking everywhere. Whoa, the taxi's even staying.
Oh yeah, everyone walking past the car.
Get the pram out, Molly.
Vamos! Oh, sorry.